Hello everyone and welcome to this quick product review on the Kärcher K2 pressure washer. I have had this pressure washer for over a year. I've used it to wash the cars, I've used it in the car restorations, of which you'll see other videos on this channel, and I've used it for cleaning around the house, paths, cleaning down brick walls and so on, and I'm very impressed with it. So like I said, this is Kärcher. Available from plenty of stores. I know they're available on Amazon as well, eBay. This is an electric power washer. I do not know all the specification numbers off the top of my head, but I bought the K2 because it wasn't a huge amount different from the next one up in the range, and it was significantly cheaper, and it did plenty for me. So, fairly simple thing. It's about the size of a backpack. Whenever you get the box, you have two nozzles. This one here, as you can see in the end, is more of a fan spray type distribution of the water. And this one, not sure if that shows up very well, is more of a jet. And that jet moves around in a circle like that very quickly. And it's good for using, I find that's best for doing paths, and this one's best for when I'm washing the car. Also included in the box is the gun with the pipe, and this is a simple trigger action, on and off. Pretty simple to set up, and the instructions are all very clear within the box. The unit itself is very robust. Simple on-off switch there at the bottom. Just literally off, on. Straightforward. Holster for the gun around the side, and two holders for the two nozzles. If I come around the back then, this is a pickup for soap, and Kärcher themselves do create a line of soaps, and I'll get one now to show you. This is path cleaner and or patio cleaner, sorry, stone paving. And then that goes into the bottle and draws it up through and comes out through the gun. This is where you put your garden hose in, and that detaches in there. And very important is to keep an eye on the filter, because if the filter gets blocked, that's going to cut down the flow of water in the machine, which means the water cools the electric motor, and if there's no water going in, the electric motor is at risk of burning out. Now, some things to bear in mind: this pipe running from the machine to the gun is not very long, and that's the downside of this machine. You can buy longer hoses, and if you feel that you don't want to move the machine about, well, that's something you may wish to consider. The cable's a reasonable length as well, but that could be longer, but I suppose that's limited by the size of the machine. Other things to consider: Kärcher themselves don't recommend this machine for heavy duty work. However, I have used it for nigh on whole day sessions of cleaning paths and cars, and it's never given any problems to me. They do recommend that the hose coming in here remains straight, unkinked, and is not coiled around a reel. And they also state that it shouldn't go through a non-return valve, which is something you may wish to consider. So there you have it. The Kärcher K2 pressure washer. I've been very impressed with this. I've used it quite a lot myself. It's never broken down. I've had no warranty claims, and it continues to work to this day. So any questions, feel free to post them down below. I will continue to make product reviews and will return to usual service videos about the cars, but unfortunately with work commitments at the minute I haven't been able to do much. So please hit the subscribe button and I'll reply to all my comments as well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.